Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. It's citywide garage sales in Riverview, Michigan, suburb of Detroit. Time to go shopping.
Each kid has a challenge to put that together. So, good morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
Good, and yourself?
Haven't been caught yet.
That's good. The small ones are 50 cents. These,
Did you do this?
bigger ones are $1.
Are you done?
Yeah. Looking for anything in particular?
Nah, almost anything.
Okay. Well, we have almost everything here.
Thanks.
Mostly older junk.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
You too.
Five, that's fine.
I'm actually working on a car that needs measuring.
How much is the sewing machine?
How much you want to offer me for it?
I ain't got that much.
You're all set with that. Thank you.
I can't even see what kind it is. I just know it's a sewing machine.
Yeah, I don't either.
Alright, and the
Thank
tool
you.
chest for sale too?
This isn't for sale. We just got this actually.
I'm trying to set something up and have more
Can we look at the sewing machine, see what it is?
See, it's old.
It is old. There you go.
Any old bikes or skateboards, anything like that?
No.
Precision, yeah. No, I usually just buy Singers.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Well, it's raining out. It's a slow day. What up, Freeman? Get to work. Sometimes you get no good people. He's a good person. I knowed him for 100 years. You see him on the at the flea market too. So, but he's got to go out and find some stuff. He can't sit around and do nothing. So, all right, we'll be back.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
Liquid sunshine, gotta love it.
Yeah. I guess I put it on the stack from the stairs. You can have it too. Yeah. How about that? Mm-hmm. How about that?
Have a good day.
Thank you.
This one looks like it's got a little bit of stuff. Guy stuff anyhow. We'll see.
Just unbolt this, whatever, and just use that part and this part. See how I got it bolted to the thing?
Yeah.
There's other things you can bolt right to the, instead of having it bolted into the chair, you just bolt it right to the seat.
Right. All right.
So,
Zelly maker.
It's 2 seconds. 10. $5 an equal. There's 3 in the bag with the steaks and just that one out. Yep. So a little 12-foot or 14-foot clam, you know, like in the city, I had one before. You just clamp it on the clamp, and when you flip it over, you can roll it around the driveway. You hold the boat. Once it's clamped in, then you can just kind of roll it around and maneuver it. It was more of a safe
Well,
thing for
a
me.
bunch of duck decoys and stuff, but they're all common new stuff. But you never know what you're gonna find, so we'll keep shopping. Nah, I found nothing good, man. I never do well at garage sales with balloons. Don't know why. Just never find nothing at garage sales with balloons. This is beginning to look that way as well.
And then I think I have one 3T bathing suit. I will shoot you a picture of all the stuff that I set aside. And then just give me like a heads up, yes or no. And then I don't, because that's what Cameron's going into. So
I do not know why I never do any good at garage sales with balloons. Maybe people that blow balloons up have got more energy than good stuff. I don't know. Never ever seems like I do well if they have balloons. If you know, if you think you do well with balloons, write a comment, because I'm curious. Is it just me? All right. We got another one. Let's see. Little baby. The babies for sale.
Okay, leave this out, okay.
What about the beer sign?
oh, my husband won't get rid of it. I wish.
What about the little boy? Man, been a rough morning. Rough morning. But we'll keep soldiering on. Try. Looks like stuff out of a garage. This looks like it might be a little bit better. Morning. All this liquid sunshine. Looks like it got put out last night. Too bad.
It did.
Oh man, that really stinks.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. You agree, eh?
Yes.
Thank you. You have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
How much is the coffee pot?
$4,
$1?
$2. I'm dicker with you.
I'll take it for $2. Just let it sit there.
I need it.
It's not a Hummel. It's Hummel-esque. Hummel-like.
Haven't even got plates improved.
You did not look at that one. I didn't think it was new, but it obviously is. Some kind of crackle gas. Glass. Thought it was going to be old, but it's not. Kind of a neat hat. Always got to look up on the shelves. See if there's anything good.
You only run off when you go over there. I don't want to go over there. Right. Oh, there.
To a degree, I agree with you. Yes, feel free to dig anything you want other than tools.
I did see something I need.
What's that?
On the shelf there, I see a couple of cell phones. I need a junk cell phone to use for a drone I have.
These?
Yeah. Uncle Henry Flynn.
Oh, that's not for sale.
Oh, okay.
No, that's my grandson.
That's fine.
Oh.
You said dig, not me.
I did. $2?
Do you know if they work?
I'm not sure.
That one is shit.
That one's got the screen off of it.
I need a bigger display. Thank you, though.
Okay.
Any guns, knives, old military items?
Other than,
Old fishing tackle? Old fishing lures?
no, that's all his.
Well, if it's old stuff, there's a lot of the old fishing lures I pay $40, $50 a piece for, so.
I know, I don't know about his fishing stuff.
Well, he was awake.
He was awake. He'd love to talk fishing.
I'll go see if he's awake.
I assume that cell phone over there is the one we're using?
And that's the one we're using.
That's
Yep,
fine.
that's mine. Raymond,
What about the Halloween thing?
those are vintage. Yeah. Those I actually like. I got a coffee maker there for $10. You need a coffee maker?
Nope.
He's probably up till like 4 o'clock in the morning again.
He was up. He was going to bed as I was getting up this morning at 1 o'clock.
Well, we'll hit another one here. Christmas stuff. Looks like I've seen a ceramic Christmas tree that everybody wants.
My daughter puts mine out every year.
Yep. I remember when I was a kid, my mom put ours out every
Yeah.
year too. I don't know what happened to hers.
Inside is the light bulb that lifts off.
Yeah. It's missing the top and
Yeah.
I can't find the top.
It's about 100 years old, so
oh, these? Nah, they're from the
No.
70s.
yeah, I was
She was exaggerating a little.
But
Yeah, my mom used to make them.
kids and everything else.
My mom used to make them.
People want want them now. They want to go back in time. That and that aluminum tree. Which we never had the aluminum tree. My neighbor did. I remember that little spirograph thing that.
Oh, yeah.
The wheel that went around with it.
You had a white one.
Oh, I love that thing.
Yeah, but they were pretty. It's just a green tree.
Take 15 on it?
And what?
The tree.
Yeah,
All right. Let's see if we can find a box.
I got one here, but it's not the original box. But
No, they were, everybody made them. They weren't made at a store or anything, so it shouldn't have a box that was
It
it.
ceramic thing that they
It was a ceramic thing, right?
Some of them had duds on it.
Yes, yes.
So I made a makeshift one. I gotta plug it.
Does yours have the little light bulb on it? Yep, it does. Oh,
What it do? Okay.
that's a good deal.
Well, bought a ceramic Christmas tree. Got another one. Got to get them balloons put out, eh? Never have luck with balloons. Have a good day. I do not know what it is. Put balloons up, you got nothing to buy. Never, ever. Seems like. If you've got a different thing, put it in the comments, because I do not know why. You know, pink signs at balloons are the absolute worst. I don't, maybe it's just because I like guy stuff. You know, I guess if you have a toddler, you're gonna, maybe just people that are older like me that have the, what I would call cool stuff, don't have balloons, so they don't put them up. I don't know. We'll go on to the next one. All right, let's see if we find anything.
You look like you're looking for guy stuff.
Yeah, no guy stuff?
No, do you work on weed whackers or leaf blowers?
Not to speak of.
Okay. That's the only guy stuff I got. A broken weed whacker, a broken leaf blower.
Broken weed whacker and a broken leaf blower.
Yep. Looking for whoever wants to venture into work on.
Alright. So I think we're going to call it quits for the day. It's after 11. So, like I always say, God bless you, God bless America. Found the one tree. One good find. Probably $75, so we'll make it work.